Good evening, sir.
Hello, Kashif. Hello, Sulekha. Hello, Sunita Vita. So, what was the homework for you guys for today? Hmm, I know. Was the homework in the practice book as well?
Audio script.
That you guys have already written, but
Hello, sir. Good evening.
hello, Adi Beta. Good evening.
Sir, good evening, sir.
Good evening, Irshad.
Yes.
Hello, Noor. Welcome back.
Hello, sir.
Noor beta, I
Yes,
was
sir.
some issues नहीं बेटा. I was some issues नहीं. I had some issues. मतलब कुछ परेशानियां थीं. I had some issues. जैसे अगर आप बोलना चाहते हैं मुझे कुछ परेशानियां थी. I had some problems, right? Problems की जगह issues. I had some issues. Okay. Hello
Okay.
Anshu. Hello Devendra.
Okay,
Sunita.
sir.
Sunita, are you there?
Good evening, sir.
Hey Anshu beta. Good evening. Hmm. Yes, there was homework. We're going to start with checking the homework. Okay. Exercise 4. How often?
Oh,
How often? How often means students? If you have to translate how often into Hindi, what will you say? Do you have a phrase in Hindi in your mind? How often? Kitni dafe? Kitni baar? Okay. How do you translate?
कितनी बार कितनी बार
Exactly. Kitni dafe? Kitni
Okay.
baar? How often? Okay. How often do you have a bath?
कितनी बार
How often do you have a bath? Answer.
कितनी बार Good evening, sir. Sir,
Good
which page
evening.
number? 3 days a week.
It was the homework, no? I shared this page number 18 in the group. It was your homework, right, everybody? Hmm. So let's see. How often means in Hindi?
कितनी बार
Kitni baar, kitni dafe, okay? How often do you have a bath? How often do you have a bath? Answer.
One in a day.
Yes, Abhishek.
One in a day.
Once a day. Once
One.
a day.
हाँ
Once
जी
means ek baar. Once a day. Everybody answer. How often do you have a bath?
I have often once a day.
No, अंश बेटा इसमें often जवाब में नहीं यूज होगा, आप बोलेंगे I have a bath once a day.
I have a bath
I have a
once a
bath
day.
once a
Once
day.
a day.
Hmm.
Sometimes I have a bath 2 times.
Sometimes I have a bath twice a day. Sometimes
Twice
I
a
have a
day.
bath twice a
Twice a
day.
day.
Okay. Hmm. How often? Sunita? Hello, Sunita.
Yes, sir.
How are you doing, Sunita?
Sorry.
How are you doing?
Sir, actually,
How are you doing, Sunita?
sir, I was filling a form.
You are feeling what? Filling a form. I see. Okay. I can see a lot of people are off camera. I don't know why. Devendra is struggling with his internet. Guys, be on camera. I remember Zeba not
Good
being.
evening, sir.
Hey, Shabnam, good evening. I remember Zeba not being very excited about being on camera at first. She was a little unhappy about my decision. But now Zeba is always on camera and very relaxed,
Yes, sir.
and it is helping her because she's so focused now, a lot more focused than I think the last time Zeba used to be. So this is why I say this to everybody. Be on camera, be focused, fully focused. Anish, beta, you are also making a lot of improvement. I remember, Anish, at first your sentences were absolutely jumble of words, okay? You did not put
Hello,
them in
sir.
the right order. Hello, Maas, beta. But now your words are very good, Anish. आप बहुत तेजी से सीख रहे हो बच्चे. तो ऐसे ही मेहनत करते रहो सब. All right? Let's continue. How often मतलब?
कितनी बार?
कितनी बार?
Yeah,
बार.
exactly. Okay. How often do you brush your teeth?
Yeah.
2
We
times a day.
brush our teeth twice a day.
Twice. The
Twice a day.
pronunciation is twice.
Twice.
Twice
Ask,
a day.
Twice a day.
ask me the same question. Ask me.
How often do have you do you have
How often? How often you brush you brush
how often do you
brush your teeth? How
Yeah.
often brush your teeth?
You are missing the subject.
How often you brush
how
the
often do
teeth?
you brush your
How
teeth?
often do you brush your teeth?
How often do you brush your teeth?
Do you brush your teeth?
You brush your teeth.
I usually brush my teeth twice a day, but sometimes I feel lazy and I don't brush at night. But usually I brush my teeth
It
twice a
happens
day.
sometimes.
How often do you attend classes?
Reg-
We
regularly.
attend class
How often do you
regularly.
attend
Yes.
the classes?
We attend the classes
6
2
days a
times.
week.
in a
6
day.
days a
week.
Monday to
6 days a
Saturday.
week.
Monday to Saturday.
Yes, yes.
Saturday.
Monday to
6 days a
Saturday.
week.
Right?
Saturday.
Hmm. Monday to Saturday. How often do you visit a temple or mosque?
Sir, can you hear me?
I can hear you.
Okay, sir. Good evening.
Is
I-
it you, Apurva?
Yes, sir.
Yes, beta, your voice is different. Your mic, I think you have changed your mic.
Sir, I'm joining from my computer today, sir.
I see, I see. I hope there will be no problems in the breakout room. Okay. So, how often do you visit mosques or temples?
4 times a day.
Irshad visits 4
because I
times a
missed-
day.
Because I missed the morning one.
Hmm. You guys tell me, how often do you visit a mosque or a temple? Apurva, you're not answering.
Sir, I can't hear you, sir. So I'm
You're
saying-
struggling. I see, I see. Anshu, Abhishek, Noor, Suhani, Kashif, Nausheen, how often do you visit a temple or a mosque? Suhani,
Once in a week.
Yes, sir.
how often do you visit a mosque or a temple?
One, 1 month.
Once a month, maybe. Once a month, maybe. Maybe लगाने से हो गया कि कोई जरूरी नहीं है ना? Okay.
1 month, maybe.
Aarti, are you here, Aarti? Aarti is not here. Okay, Devendra, finally, you can hear me. Your internet is bad today.
Sir, always my network is.
Yeah, I can see that your internet is bad because now again he got dropped. Okay. How often do you eat meat? How often do you eat meat?
Once a month. 1 week.
Once a week,
Once a week.
once a month, every day.
Regular on basis.
Sorry, Irshad,
On regular basis.
it doesn't matter. I don't understand what you mean. You're saying regular what?
Sir, 1 time a day or
Every day. You mean to say you eat meat every day?
yeah.
You eat meat every day. Well. So how often do you do something, right? कितनी दफे करते हैं? How often do you show? How often do you show your love to your parents?
Always.
Rarely. I think the answer is rarely. You don't show your love to your parents. Rarely. Kabhi, kabhi. Normally, you do not talk very nicely to your parents. You don't touch their feet. You don't say to them, "Oh, mommy, papa, you know, I'm so grateful to you." You don't say these things.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Good evening, Imtiaz. How often means you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. How often do you go to the cinema?
Once a year.
इसका जवाब ऐसे भी दिया जा सकता है कि I don't go to the cinema very often, maybe once or twice a year, ऐसे. Okay? I don't go to the cinema very often. हम अक्सर नहीं जाते हैं cinema. I don't go to the cinema very often. Maybe when somebody, once a year, when a relative comes, when my uncle comes, or when my cousins come, then we go to the cinema. Okay. I watch movies at home on TV. तो लंबा जवाब दे सकते हैं ना बेटा, अपने जवाब को अरेंज करके अच्छे से. Okay? चलो. How
I
often
never
means?
go to the cinema.
Yeah, that's good. I never go to the cinema. Very good, beta. Now put the words in the correct order to make sentences. You have to arrange these words in the correct order. Okay. So you did that already? What's your sentence? I
Always have a shower in the morning.
always have a shower in the morning. I always have a shower in the morning. I always have a shower in the morning. Okay. I always have a shower in the morning. I always have a shower.
I
in
go
the
to the cinema.
Wait, we are not going there. I just want to highlight something. Drop always. Always ko hata do beta. I have a shower in the morning.
I have a shower.
I have a shower.
Subject I, verb have. And frequency adverbs, they appear.
shower.
Frequency adverbs come between the subject and the verb. Okay. I have a shower in the morning. I always have a shower in the morning. Next.
I sometimes go to the cinema.
Sometimes go to the cinema. Sometimes go to the cinema.
Next. 3. I
Sometimes
sometimes go to the cinema. I
to
sometimes go to
cinema.
the cinema. 3.
We often
the
go to
Dogs on
we
a
often go to
We often go to the
Come on, everybody. And remember, you
We
must do your
often-
homework properly, everybody. हर कोई को अपना homework अच्छे से करना है, okay? ध्यान से
Yes.
regularly. Go on.
we often go to the
We often go to the
we
friend.
often go to France on holiday. Go to France on holiday.
France on we often go to France on holiday.
We often go to France on holiday.
on France.
थोड़ा सा गड़बड़ हो रहा है बेटा. Holiday is a place or France is a place?
France is a
France-
place.
France is a place.
Right. So go to France. Go
Go
to
to France on holiday. On holiday.
right. We often go to France on holiday.
On holiday. Yes, sir.
Good. Number 4.
I never drink coffee
I
in the
never
morning.
drink in the morning.
I never drink coffee in the morning.
I never drink coffee at night. Like
I
this.
never drink coffee in the morning.
My mother never eats anything sour on Friday. My mother never eats anything sour on Friday. My mother never eats anything sour. अच्छा चीज है ना? कैसे बोल रहा हूँ बेटा? My mother never eats anything sour on Fridays.
Friday.
Yeah. 5.
I usually start
work at
work
9.
at 9.
Very
o'clock.
good.
Usually I work start
Usually
at
I
9.
I usually
I
start
usually
work
work
at 9
usually
o'clock.
start work at 9.
As well you start work night at 9 p.m. or 9 o'clock.
I start work, I work a start.
usually
Which is
work
better? I start
start-
work or work a start?
Start work.
Start work.
I start
Start
usually
work.
work start, sir.
Yeah.
I
Yeah, start-
usually work start at 9 o'clock.
Usually I know.
Start work at 9 o'clock.
Usually I work start at 9.
Okay. Work start मतलब?
Usually
काम शुरू
Come on.
अगर काम शुरू
I
करना है
usually start
दोस्तों, अगर काम शुरू करना है कि इंग्लिश वर्क स्टार्ट, तो आम खाना का इंग्लिश मैंगो
No,
ईट
start
की ईट
work.
मैंगो?
no
Eat.
start work. Eat mango.
तो काम शुरू करना का इंग्लिश?
start work.
Start work.
Work is yes, sir. Start.
I usually start
Work start.
work at 9.
दोस्तों,
start work at 9.
काम शुरू करना है कि इंग्लिश वर्क स्टार्ट स्टार्ट वर्क, ये नहीं समझ पा रहे हम लोग ना?
Start work.
Start work.
Start work. I start work, right? I finish work. I start work
Yes.
and I Finish
Finish
work.
work.
Yes.
Right.
I finish work.
Okay. Next. Number 2, look at the information about Sam and complete the sentences using an adverb. Look at the information about Sam and complete the sentences using an adverb. Fine. Let's see.
Sam always drinks tea.
Yes. Sam always drinks tea
Always
in the morning.
in the morning.
Sam always drinks tea in the morning. 2.
He
I
usually
usually
goes
go
to
to
work
work
by
by
bus.
bus.
He usually go to work by bus.
He usually go to work by bus.
Sam usually go to
By
work
bus.
by bus.
आप सब लोग एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट लेसन भूल गए मेरे बच्चों.
Goes.
Goes to work.
Did you realize it? You all forgot
Take
that when you say he,
Not
you
the-
cannot say go, mere bachche. You cannot say go. You
Go.
have to say
I told goes.
He goes to
Usually
work
goes
by
To
bus.
work by bus.
what a blunder, children. What a blunder, students. You should say he usually.
Goes.
Goes.
Come on, everybody. Come on.
Goes.
Goes to
Yes.
work by bus.
He
to work by
usually
bus.
goes to work by
by
bus.
bus.
Very
He goes
good.
to
Yes.
work by
Usually
bus.
goes to work by bus.
Bus.
Okay.
Bus.
Next, number 3.
He has
Sometimes he has
lunch
lunch
with
with a friend.
Sometimes he have
Sometimes he has lunch with a friend. Sometimes he has
Sometimes
Sometimes he has lunch with a friend.
lunch with
Okay. Sometimes he has lunch with a friend is correct. But
yes.
sometimes को और भी एक जो सही जगह वहां डाल के बताओ. ये तो सही है. एक और सही जगह डाल के बताओ.
sometimes
He has
lunch with a friend. Sometimes
Sometimes.
He has lunch
Sometimes
sometimes with a friend.
Sorry, Kashif, you're wrong. Guys,
he has
remember,
lunch.
remember,
He has
lunch
lunch
with a
with a
friend.
friend sometimes.
that's correct. Sometimes को आखिर में रख सकते हैं, शुरू में रख सकते हैं.
Hello.
लेकिन
Yes, sir.
लेकिन there is one
Hello.
more place, common place पे रख के दिखाओ.
He sometimes
has
has
lunch.
lunch with a friend.
Sorry, Reba, you're getting it wrong, मेरे
Sometimes he
बच्चे.
has
sometimes he has lunch with
No. You guys are not hearing me. Please pay
He
attention.
has sometimes he has
Lunch.
lunch with
no,
a
no.
friend sometimes.
Nashin, listen to me. Everybody, listen to me.
He has
yes.
Listen to
lunch
me.
with a friend.
Listen to me. Everybody, listen carefully. आप sometimes को start में रख सकते हैं. You can put the word sometimes at the beginning of the sentence.
Sometimes he
Yes.
has.
At the last.
Yes, sometimes he has lunch with a friend.
That's correct. You can put sometimes at the end of the sentence too. You can
Yes,
put
sir.
sometimes at the end
He
of the
has lunch
sentence
with
too.
a friend. Something. Yes.
But what is the common position? Common position, third position कौन सा है जो बाकी में यूज की है? क्यों भूल रहे हैं? ये सबका काम एक ही है ना? Always, usually, sometimes, never, often. ये सारे क्या है? Frequency adverb. ये सब एक ही बात बताते हैं. कितनी बार, है ना? तो प्लीज बताइए. Sometimes का common position क्या है जो बाकी का है?
It's sometimes.
Between
Sometimes.
between the subject and the verb. जैसे आपने कहा he always drinks tea. देखो, आप देखो. Always कहाँ डाले? Between the subject and the verb. He usually goes to work by bus. Usually कहाँ डाले? Subject और verb के बीच. वैसे ही subject और verb के बीच बोलो बेटा.
Sometimes lunch with
He
a
have. He has sometimes lunch
He
with a
has
friend.
lunch with a friend.
नौशीन, अभी भी आप गौर नहीं कर पाए मेरे बच्चे. नौशीन, आप अभी भी गौर नहीं कर पाए. मैंने कहा I said always is a frequency adverb. It goes between the subject and the verb. Usually is also a frequency adverb. It goes between the subject and the verb. He usually goes. So similarly, sometimes will also go between the subject and the verb.
After verb. He sometimes
Friends
has
has
lunch with a friend.
lunch with the friends.
He sometimes has lunch.
Has
He
lunch with a friend.
sometimes has
Has
lunch
lunch
with
with a
a
friend.
friend.
Lunch
Now you
with a
understand, everyone?
friend. Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Sir, ऐसे भी तो हो सकता है.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, Suhani.
He has lunch with sometimes a friend.
No. No, नहीं हो सकता. क्यों
He
होगा?
has lunch.
क्यों होगा मेरे बच्चे? वैसे क्यों हो सकता है? कोई वजह दो.
He he has lunch sometimes with a friend.
नहीं, नहीं हो सकता. क्यों हो सकता है? आप यहाँ बताओ मुझे. ऑलवेज कहाँ रखा आपने? Between the subject and the verb. Between the subject and
After
the verb.
subject.
यहाँ नंबर 3 में क्या रखा आपने? We often go. Subject और verb
We
के
often-
बीच में.
yes, after
इसमें
subject.
कहाँ रखा? I never drink. तो ये never कहाँ रखा आपने? Frequency adverb को कहाँ रखा? Between the subject and the verb.
Between subject और verb.
आप यहाँ देखें. I usually start work at 9. तो आप बताओ frequency adverb कहाँ रखे जाते हैं दोस्तों?
Between subject and verb.
Subject and verb के between में.
Right. So what is the right sentence?
In the between subject and verb.
He
In
sometimes
between the
has
subject
has
and the verb.
lunch with
In between the subject and the verb. बोलो.
He sometimes
He
has
sometimes has
Sometimes
lunch with a
Lunch with a
friend.
friend.
Very good. So there are three
Sometimes
options, right? There are three options, correct
Yes, sir.
options with sometimes. First position, last position, and between the subject and the verb. Everybody understood?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
give me
sir.
all the three options. Beginning position, beginning position.
Last one.
Yes.
Chalo, bolo.
And
Give me the
ending
example.
position.
Beginning position wala do.
Sometimes
Sometimes
he has lunch
Sometimes
with a
have
lunch
go
friend.
to
with a
market
friend.
with my sister.
End position.
he sometimes
Time I go to
has
market.
End
lunch with a
position.
friend.
He has-
End
Go to
position.
market
He has
with
lunch
my
with a
sister.
friend
He has lunch
sometimes.
with a
he has
friend.
lunch with a friend sometimes.
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 Mid position. Mid position.
He sometimes has lunch
Sometimes
with a
he
friend.
has sometimes lunch with a friend.
Have go to market with my sister.
Moni beta, you're making one mistake. He sometimes has lunch. He sometimes lunch, no beta. He sometimes has lunch.
Lunch.
Has lunch.
Number 4.
He never works.
He never works late.
Never works
He
late.
never works late.
Works late.
Works late.
He never works late. No, he never works late. And number 5.
He often goes.
He often goes to jogging.
Do you often
He often goes
go
jogging.
jogging in a day?
He often goes jogging.
Some people made mistakes, but they are correcting their mistakes. He often
Goes jogging.
Goes
How often do you go to jogging?
Shabnam, go to jogging होगा क्या?
Yes,
Go
sir.
to jogging होगा
Goes.
क्या?
Go
Goes.
go jogging. Go the jogging. How often do you?
पहले सैम के बारे में बात कर लें शबनम, उसके बाद आपके बारे में मेरे बारे
Yes,
में
sir.
बात करेंगे.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
चलिए सैम के बारे में बोलिए. सैम often
Goes jogging.
गो और जॉगिंग के बीच में कुछ टू वगैरह लिखा है दोस्तों? नहीं ना. तो आप
No.
क्यों इंसर्ट कर रहे हो? और मैंने आपको बताया था टू होता है जगह के पहले. गो टू द सिनेमा, गो टू द बैंक, गो टू
Okay.
पटना. रिमेम्बर?
Okay, sir. Okay.
Number 5. He often goes jogging.
He
He often goes jogging.
Yeah.
He often goes jogging. 5. Free time activities. Match a line in A with a line in B. A says, we love films.
We often go to the
We
cinema.
often go to the
Free
cinema.
time activities.
We love films. So, we often go to the cinema. Repeat full sentence.
We love
We
films.
love
love
films,
films,
so we often go to the
go
to the
cinema.
cinema.
Very good. My passion is books. So
I read
I
all
read
the time.
all the time.
All the time.
My passion is books, so I read all the time.
very good. Number 3. I love
I
jazz
love
and blues.
I listen to a
My
lot of
So
I
music.
listen
I
to a lot
listen
of music.
to a lot of music.
very good.
I listen to a lot of
I like relaxing at home. So
I watch
watch
TV every
I
night.
watch
I watch
TV
TV
every
every
night.
night.
I watch
I watch
TV
every night.
watch TV, watch TV, watch TV,
Watch,
watch,
Watch TV.
watch
watch,
TV.
I watch
watch,
TV.
Night.
watch
I
TV,
watch
I
Watch TV.
watch, not watch, watch.
watch.
Sulekha, watch.
Watch.
I watch TV.
We love food. We love
We
food.
Love
often
food.
We
We
often cook
often cook
for
for
We
So,
often cook for friends.
We often
so we
cook for
often cooks for friends.
Vinay sir is friendly, so the students love him, right? कैसा क्या था sentence?
Vinay sir is
Vinay sir
friend.
is a friendly, so he loves
The students love him, right?
The student
Okay,
love
फिर से
love
बोलते हैं
him.
बेटा, फिर से बोलते हैं. Vinay sir is friendly, Vinay sir is a friendly बेटा.
Vinay sir is
Friendly.
friendly.
Vanessa is friendly.
Vinay sir is friendly, so the students love him, okay?
So our
All right.
Students love him.
English is easy. English is interesting. English is
Students
interesting.
Interesting.
So,
Interesting.
we like English.
Students want to
So
learn.
I like
So we like English.
Yes. So, just a second. She is
Many
very
students want
she
to
is
learn English. ऐसा नहीं हो सकता
she is
मतलब।
very हाँ कुछ भी क्यों नहीं? She is so beautiful. She is
Yes, sir.
So beautiful.
she is very beautiful. So everybody likes her. She is very beautiful. So everybody likes her.
Yes.
He is very fat. He is
Very fat.
he is very
Very
fat.
fat.
So he is very fat. So
She has faced lots of problems, lots of diseases.
very good, very good, very good, Shapnam. फिर से try करो दोस्तों. He is very fat. So बोलो.
He faced
He is going gym.
lots of
Ah,
diseases.
very good. He is very fat. So he goes to the gym.
Yes. Sir.
gosh.
Very good. Mangoes are cheap. So
Oh, I love it.
If- So
we
if
eat them
people
every day. We eat them every day.
can afford it.
Right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Mangoes are cheap. So
We all
eat
love it.
we all eat them every day. आप eat बोल रहे हो मैं mangoes बोल रहा हूँ mangoes eat नहीं हो सकता
Them.
मेरे बच्चे
Them, sir.
हमेशा
No.
ध्यान रखना singular plural का
Mango eat.
Okay, sir.
Let's see another example.
Sir, can we say Vinay sir teaching style is too good, so we all love
His classes.
his classes.
Very good. Vinay sir teaches very well. So we all love his classes. Right? Good sentence. Very good sentence.
Right.
तो आप लोग ने बहुत अच्छा किया. So का मतलब भी समझ लिया आप लोग, है ना? Okay. So read the sentences. This first sentence is very good. We love films. So we often go to the cinema.
Cinema.
Number 4. I like relaxing at home. So,
So I
I
watched
watched TV every night.
Every night.
yes, okay. She is very open-minded. She is very,
Open-minded.
Open-minded.
so people
Open-minded.
criticize her sometimes. So people
criticize her
criticize her
sometimes.
sometimes.
Criticize her son.
Any problems?
No, sir.
She,
तो repeat I said का मतलब क्या होता है?
come again? Come again,
Repeat
Shabnam?
said क्या बोला सर उसका मतलब? क्या था? What
Criticize,
is meaning?
criticize. People criticize her.
सर अभी बोले ना आप
People criticize her, criticize her.
spelling सर
पहले छोड़ दिए स्पेलिंग, पहले ये वर्ड बोलिए, criticize.
DT
Criticize.
Criticize.
Criticize मतलब
Criticize.
दोस्तों बुरा बोलना किसी को, okay? She is very
Criticize.
open-minded, so people
Oh,
criticize her
okay.
sometimes. She is very open-minded,
Okay, sir.
so people criticize her sometimes. और दूसरे देखते हैं. She wears short clothes. She wears, so her parents scold her sometimes. She wears,
Yes sir.
She wears short clothes,
She
so
wears short
her
dresses, we
parents
can say.
scold
her
her sometimes.
sometimes.
Skirts
Yes.
sometime.
Okay. She wastes her time a lot.
This time I wrote.
She wastes her time a
So-
lot.
The teachers always advised her.
So her parents shout at her. So her parents
Yeah.
shout at her. इसलिए उसके मम्मी पापा उस पे चीखते हैं. Because पता चल गया ना क्यों चीखते हैं?
Yes.
Because
Yeah.
she wastes her time.
Waste her
She
time.
wastes
Waste her time.
She
Waste
wastes
नहीं,
her
She
time.
wastes her time and
Waste में s लगा लेना. Wastes.
She wastes her time.
yes,
Her
sir, waste.
She wastes her time.
She studies a lot. She studies,
She studies a lot,
so she gets good marks
Studies
in the
a
exam.
lot.
so she get good marks in the
Yes.
Okay, exercise 2. Write play or go for each free time activity. You have to write play or go. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
You have to write play or go. या तो play लिखो या go लिखो. देखते हैं. Number 1.
Play
Play
golf.
goal.
Play golf.
Play golf.
I play golf with my friends. Rich people play golf. Rich people play.
Can I
Play
leave the
golf.
class?
Okay, all right.
Golf.
All right, Suhani. Now, number 2.
Go
Yeah.
swimming.
Go swimming. Go swimming.
Go swimming.
Go swimming. Go swimming. All right.
Go running.
Go running.
Number 3.
Go running.
Go running.
She goes. She is fat. She is fat. She is. So she goes running every morning. She is fat. She is fat.
fat.
So
She
she
goes
goes
running
running every morning.
She is running in the morning.
आपने गौर से नहीं सुना मेरी बात, गौर से सुनिएगा. She is fat. So she goes running every morning.
Every morning.
She goes running every morning.
Yes, sir.
ठीक करो.
She is fat, so she goes running every
She
morning.
Goes to run.
सब लोग समझते हैं?
Yes, sir.
Sunita, are you still busy or you are listening to us?
I'm listening. I'm still listening.
You can't multitask, Sunita. अगर आप साथ में दूसरा काम करने का सोच रही हैं तो आपके मन को ऐसा लगेगा कि ये बहुत आसान है भाई, मैं सुन भी रही हूँ, मैं साथ साथ में दूसरा काम कर रही हूँ. यकीन मानिए, अगर आप हिंदी में मेरी बात सुन रही होती तो आप ये मल्टीटास्क कर लेती, लेकिन आपका मकसद है मेरी इंग्लिश सुनना और साथ में अपनी इंग्लिश इंप्रूव करना. नहीं हो पाएगा. आपको लगेगा कि कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ रहा, जैसे जैसे जो लोग रोज मैकडोनल्ड्स खा रहे हैं उनको लग रहा है कि वो अपने शरीर को कमजोर कर रहे हैं? उनको लग रहा है, लगता है, ऐसा फील होता है कुछ कि कमजोर कर रहे हैं, तो मजा आता है। और बढ़िया। लेकिन इवेंचुअली क्या होता है, शरीर कमजोर होता है, राइट? उनको लगता है कि उनको बीमारी होने वाली है, मतलब महसूस होता है ऐसा कि हम मैकडोनल्ड्स रोज खा रहे हैं, हम बीमार पड़ने वाले हैं? नहीं, महसूस नहीं होता। महसूस तो अच्छा ही होता है, नॉर्मल महसूस होता है, जैसे खाना खाने के समय लगता है। लेकिन साल 1.5 साल के बाद आप बीमार हो जाते हैं। वैसे ही अगर आप मल्टीटास्क करके ऑडियो सुनोगे, मेरी बात सुनोगे या ऑडियो फाइल सुनोगे, तो उसमें मजा नहीं आएगा, वो साल 1.5 साल के बाद वो रिजल्ट नहीं आएगा जो चाहते हो आप। लेकिन
Sir,
अगर
I am
फोकस,
turning off my camera for few minutes.
okay, but if you are listening to the audio files or to the teacher or to any audio in English पूरा फोकस के साथ, तो साल 1.5 साल के बाद आपको अंदर अपने अंदर बहुत बड़ा चेंज महसूस होगा। तो याद रखना, मल्टीटास्क नहीं करना है। मल्टीटास्क करना मतलब समझते हो?
Yes.
While you are listening, you are doing something
एक
else
बार दो
as
तीन
well.
काम करना।
Yeah, exactly. Abhishek, Anish, Maz, you guys have turned your camera off. I don't know why.
Sir, I
Sorry,
was
sir.
from 20 minutes.
Okay. So, Maz, your camera is off as well, beta. Now, number 3, go running, right? Go running. Do you go running every morning?
No, I don't.
So,
You don't go running?
I go to the gym every morning.
Anybody in your family goes running?
yes, sir,
No.
I go for running.
Okay, Sunita goes
Yes,
running.
sir, my brother always running.
Goes running. आप फिर goes को नहीं बोल पा रही हैं, आप नहीं बोल पा रही हैं शबनम।
Goes running.
आप अब बीच वाला छोड़ के रनिंग खाली बोल दे रही हैं। My brother always running ऐसे बोल दे रही हैं। आपको क्या बोलना चाहिए?
My brother
My brother always
Always
goes
goes
running.
फिर से बोलने दीजिए शबनम को, ताकि उनको सीखने का मौका मिले। शबनम,
My brother always goes running.
अभी सही हो गया। ओके, इसको ध्यान ऐसे सही रहने देना, खराब नहीं होना दोबारा। ओके, माय ब्रदर ऑलवेज गोज
So
रनिंग।
I want to get fit, so I go to the gym every morning.
Very nice, very good. I want to get fit, so I go to the gym every morning. Very good, Zeba. It's a lot of hard work going to the gym, but you're doing it regularly. That's amazing. Very good. Now, number 4.
Play windsurf.
Go windsurfing.
What is the pronunciation? Windsurfing or windsurfing, if you remember?
Windsurfing.
Windsurfing.
Okay, तो वो भूल गए थे कुछ लोग, because I said windsurfing many times, you know. Okay, now go windsurfing or play windsurfing?
Play windsurf.
Go windsurfing.
Okay, go windsurfing is correct. Now number 5.
Play
Play
computer
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 games.
game.
6.
Computer game.
Go sailing.
Go sailing.
Go sailing.
Go sailing.
People who live near the ocean,
Ocean.
they go windsurfing.
Ocean.
Biharshi people don't go windsurfing. Biharshi people,
Don't go windsurfing.
they don't go windsurfing. Do you go windsurfing?
No, sir.
No.
I don't.
No, sir, but
I want.
You want to go windsurfing?
Yeah.
yes, sir.
Yeah, for that you have to go to a very,
no.
very far away place, to Chennai, to Kolkata. Then
year?
maybe you can learn. If you live near a river, you can go sailing.
Yes.
You can go sailing if you live near a river. All right, next. 7.
Play cards.
Play cards.
Playing cards.
Play cards.
Play cards.
Okay, do you play cards?
Not
No.
No, sir.
I play cards sometimes in my free time. 8.
Go
cycling.
cycling.
Go
cycling.
Go
cycling.
cycling. Right.
Go cycling. Play tennis.
Some people go cycling in the morning.
Okay. Play tennis.
They want to be fit, right? So they
Yes.
go cycling. 9.
Sir, but sometimes
Play tennis.
Play tennis.
sir.
Shabnam. Yes, Shabnam.
Sometimes we study in the book ride bicycle.
तो वो क्या कैसे इससे उससे मिलता जुलता क्या हो? वो अलग चीज है, ये अलग चीज है। आप हिंदी में एक ही बात बोलते हैं हमेशा थोड़ी, अभी तो कई बातें बोलते हैं हिंदी में, तो इंग्लिश में भी कई चीजें हैं। मैंने
Yes,
कहा अगर मैं आपको बताऊं कि आपको किस उम्र में साइकिल चलाना आ गया था, तो मैं वहां थोड़ी गो साइकिलिंग बोलूंगा, बिल्कुल नहीं बोलूंगा। गो साइकिलिंग मतलब
ride bicycle.
आपको मैंने जो सिखाया फ्री टाइम एक्टिविटी है, राइट?
साइकिल चलाने जाना.
जैसे मैंने कहा सम पीपल गो साइकिलिंग इन द
Yes.
मॉर्निंग, दे वांट टू बी फिट, दे वांट टू बी फिट।
Yeah,
आगे एक और सुनिए आप लोग।
fit.
मुझे 6 साल की उम्र में साइकिल चलाना आ गया था, मेरे भतीजे को 6 साल की उम्र में साइकिल चलाना आ गया था, तो यहाँ पर हम गो साइकिलिंग नहीं बोलेंगे, हम राइड बाइसिकल बोलेंगे। राइड बाइसिकल मतलब साइकिल चलाना है। इसीलिए कह रहा था सुबह में मैं शबनम कि एक्सपोजर बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। हम लोग कुछ बेसिक चीज को जानते हैं, बढ़िया बात है, अच्छी बात है, लेकिन ये भी सोच लेते हैं कि बस वही है ही, उसके अलावा कुछ
उसके
होता
पीछे
ही
लगे
नहीं
रहते
है।
हैं.
हाँ, ये
Yes,
खतरनाक
sir.
है। अगर आप इंग्लिश में फ्लुएंट होना चाहते हो तो आपको बहुत सारे वर्ड्स और फ्रेजेस
We should know
जानने
new
होंगे।
things.
या एब्सोल्युटली, ओके।
Yes, sir.
तो हम लोगों ने अभी क्या फ्रेज सीखा? गो रनिंग, गो विंड
Okay, sir.
सर्फिंग, गो सेलिंग, गो
Go
साइकिलिंग,
running, go. Yes, sir.
ऑलराइट? These are free time activities. These are
Free
Right,
time
sir.
activity.
Free time activity.
9.
Yes, sir.
Play tennis.
Play tennis.
Play tennis.
Play tennis.
10.
Play tennis.
Go skiing.
Go skiing.
Go skiing. Go skiing. Right.
Okay.
Alright. Okay, never mind. Homework for I can hear Maz beta. Some women are a bit angry in your house, so you should keep your mic muted. Okay, everybody. Now I want you to practice at the 5 conversations. Remember, the audio script is in the group already, right?
Yes, sir.
I will play the audio one more time. Check the audio script and then practice with the partner. I'm playing the audio file 3.6.
Tape script 3.6.
Listen.
In my free time. Andy.
I play tennis a lot. I'm no good, but I like playing.
I play tennis a lot. I'm no good, but I like playing. I like playing. Anshubita, we don't say I like play. We cannot say in English, I like play. We say I like playing. Okay?
I like playing.
When do you play?
When do you play? Beta, when do you play? कब खेलते हैं आप? When do you play tennis? When do you play? When?
Yeah. When do you play?
When do you play? कब खेलते हैं? Anshu, correct, make the correction, beta. When do you play? कब खेलते हैं आप?
Oh, summer usually, but sometimes in spring and autumn.
Oh, summer usually, but is missing. But sometimes in spring.
But sometimes.
Sometimes in spring and autumn. If it is sunny.
If it's sunny.
If it is sunny. Anshubita, if
Yes,
it
sir.
is sunny, there are not some
It is
mistakes.
sunny.
You have to make those corrections. बात समझ में आई? इफ के बगैर ये बात कैसे हो सकता है बेटा? सोचो, यहाँ पर इफ नहीं डालेंगे, कैसे मतलब हुआ? उसने पूछा कब खेलते हो? When do you play? तो उसने कहा समर में ज्यादातर, लेकिन कभी कभी स्प्रिंग में भी और ऑटम में भी अगर सूरज निकला रहे तो, इफ इट इज सनी, है ना?
Yes, sir.
ओके।
Yeah.
Roger.
My favorite sport is skiing. I go skiing with my family every year. We all love it.
My favorite sport is skiing. My favorite sport is skiing. I go skiing with my family every year. We all love it.
When do you go?
When do you go? Did you go नहीं बेटा? When do you go? When do you go?
Oh,
Did you go नहीं बेटा? कब
when do
जाते
you
हो?
go?
When do you
When
go?
do you go?
उसको बोलने का तरीका है when do you go, ऐसे बोलते हैं लोग, लेकिन वो did नहीं do बोलते हैं ना, लेकिन इसको पढ़ते do you को नहीं पढ़ते हैं, बोलने वाले पढ़ते हैं when do you go, when do you go, when do you go,
When do you go?
कब जाते हैं आप, when do you go?
Always in January or February after Christmas. We go to France.
And are you a good skier?
I'm okay. My wife's good. The kids are really good. But I'm just okay.
Very good, no problems I hope.
Yes.
Linda. Do you go to the gym?
Do you go the gym or to the gym?
Do you go to the gym?
Go to the gym.
Do you go to the gym?
Go to the gym, अंशु बेटा. अंशु बेटा, spend more time. जैसे पहले समय देते थे ना, वैसे ही समय दो मेरे बच्चा.
Because gym
समय
is a
कम देना मत
place.
कर दो, ठीक है? समय कम दोगे तो दिखने लग जाएगा, मुझे पता चल जाएगा कि समय नहीं दे रहे हो, मुझे पता चल जाएगा. ओके, पहले की तरह समय दो बेटा, जितना पहले मन लगाते के सुनते थे वैसे ही एकदम जस के तस. ओके?
Every day? Yes, I do.
Yes, I do.
Every day, every morning before work.
Every day, every morning before work.
And do you go swimming?
ये इसका क्वेश्चन थोड़ी बेटा, ये बी का है बेटा, ये
And
बहुत
do you go
मेसअप है. कौन बोल रहा है, ये क्लियर रखना बहुत जरूरी है. देखो, एक आदमी बोलता है डू यू गो टू द जिम एवरी डे, बी रिप्लाइज यस आई डू एवरी डे एवरी मॉर्निंग बिफोर वर्क. इसकी बात खत्म. फिर वापस पहला आदमी बोलता है एंड डू यू गो स्विमिंग देयर, एंड डू यू गो स्विमिंग देयर, बोलते हैं यस आई स्विम एवरी मॉर्निंग टू. फिर यही बोलने वाले, यही जो बोलते हैं आई स्विम एवरी मॉर्निंग टू, यही बोलते हैं डू यू गो टू द जिम. तो पहला जवाब देता है well no I don't के बाद फुल स्टॉप. I like my bed in the morning. तो अंशु, बहुत मेहनत करने की जरूरत है बच्चे, और सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट पहले की तरह समय दो, जैसे पहले कितना समय देते थे इंग्लिश को वैसे ही. ओके?
Yes, I swim every morning too.
Yes, I swim every morning too.
Do you go to the gym?
उसी का लाइन है ये, वापस ऊपर ले जाओ इसको उठा करके. Do you go to the gym? ये उसी का लाइन है. तो well no I don't. I like my bed in the morning.
Well, no, I don't. I like my bed in the morning.
Ben and Josh.
You like a lot of sports, don't you?
You like a lot of sports, don't you? You like a lot of sports. बेटा क्या, we cannot say a or lots. A lot. Lots plural जैसा लगता है. S थोड़ी लगाते a वाले में बेटा. तो you like a lot of sports. You like a lot of sports, don't you?
Oh, yeah. My favourite is windsurfing. Me and my brother go to surf school every...
Me and my brother goes ki go. Me and my brother goes या go बेटा?
Go. Goes.
Go, because दो लोग हो गए ना बेटा. तो me and my brother go, okay?
Summer and...
And we play golf and football, of course.
All outdoor sports?
All outdoor sports. All outdoor sports. सारे के सारे outdoor sports. All outdoor sports.
Sports?
No, we watch sport a lot on TV.
No, we watch sports a lot on TV. 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 Okay? हम लोग टीवी पे खूब देखते हैं. We watch sports a lot on TV. And we play computer games after school.
And we play computer games after school.
तो जब प्रैक्टिस करने के लिए भेजूंगा ब्रेकआउट रूम में, तो गलत सलत लाइन प्रैक्टिस करोगे कि महसूस करके सही सही प्रैक्टिस करोगे आप लोग? We watch sports a
महसूस
lot
करके
on
सही
TV and we
practice.
play computer games after school. Oh, not a lot of time for homework then. Well,
Not a lot of time for homework then.
Well,
question mark. Not a lot of time for homework then, huh? Now, last.
Sandra and Brian.
In winter, we love evenings at home.
In winter, we love evenings at home.
What do you do? Watch TV?
Question mark. What do you do? Watch TV? Question mark. महसूस करिए क्यों question mark चाहिए, okay? What do you do? Watch TV?
Well, yes.
What do you do?
Well,
Watch
yes.
TV.
ये सैंड्रा बोल रही है. सैंड्रा और ब्रायन दोनों नहीं बोल रहे, सिर्फ सैंड्रा बोल रही है. आप गौर करो ये. सिर्फ सैंड्रा बोल रही है. ब्रायन ये बोल रहा था. ऊपर वाला लाइन.
Sometimes we like all the cookery programs.
We like all the cookery programs. We like
The cookery programs.
we like all the cookery
All the
programs.
cookery programs.
We like all the cookery programs.
I love cooking.
I love cooking.
Oh, we love those programs too.
This is Brian. ये Brian बोल रहे हैं. Oh, we love those programs too. ये लाइन कौन बोल रहा है? Brian बोल रहा है.
Brian.
अमित बेटा, Brian बोल रहा है ये लाइन. We love those programs too.
But we often play cards on winter evening.
But we often play cards on winter evenings. We often play cards on winter evenings.
We like cards too.
अब वापस सैंड्रा जवाब देती हैं. We like cards too. हम लोग को भी cards अच्छा लगता है खेलना.
But we only play when we're on holiday.
But we only play when we are on holiday in summer. लेकिन तब ये खेलते हैं जब हॉलिडे पे रहते हैं, समर में, गर्मी में. But we only play when we are on holiday. तभी खेलते हैं जब हॉलिडे पे होते हैं, उसके अलावा नहीं खेलते. We only play when we are on holiday.
Day in summer. It's a holiday thing in our family.
What do you play?
Well,
It's a holiday thing. It's a holiday thing in our family. It's a holiday thing in our family. क्या बोल रहे हैं? It's a holiday thing.
It's a holiday thing.
हॉलिडे थिंग मतलब जैसे दोस्तों, हॉलिडे थिंग मतलब हॉलिडे पे की जाने वाली चीज है ना. इट्स अ हॉलिडे थिंग इन आवर फैमिली. ऐसे नहीं करते, हॉलिडे के अलावा नहीं करते. इट्स अ हॉलिडे थिंग इन आवर फैमिली, राइट? Like we have a Saturday thing, khichdi, right? Khichdi is a Saturday thing, right, guys?
Yes,
When do
sir.
you have khichdi? When do you eat khichdi?
Yes, sir.
Only on Saturdays, I think, right?
Yes,
It's a
sir.
Saturday thing.
Sir.
I never eat khichdi, sir.
You never eat khichdi. But those
I don't
some people love khichdi, you know, and they eat khichdi on Saturday. It's a
Yes, sir.
Saturday
Yes, sir.
thing.
Yes, sir.
I love it.
Yeah.
Yes, sir,
What do
I
you
love.
play? मतलब कौन सा गेम खेलते हो? What do you play? कौन सा गेम खेलते हो? Well, we play Mang Patti, usually we play 29, usually we play Flush, Rummy, जो भी बोलना है बोलो, okay? So are you ready to practice?
Yes, sir.
Call
Yes,
break,
sir.
yes.
Yes, sir.
All right. So I'm opening the rooms for you guys, breakout rooms. Practice the conversations with your friends.
Sir,
Yes.
so when you switch the room for discussion, at that time my network goes wrong. Means I'm not getting.
I know some people have problems. If that happens with you, then disconnect and join again. And if that doesn't work, then switch off your phone and restart.
Sir, it will not be. Sir,
Come again?
Sir, if it not be possible, then I will join with the another email ID. So please accept my request.
We will see. We will see. Send me when you join. I will see you there. But keep your name Sunita, okay? And then I will add you. No problems. Do
Sure,
not
sir.
join with the new name. Yeah. And I'm opening the rooms for you guys. Everybody, go there and practice the conversation. लेकिन ध्यान रखे, common sense के साथ practice करें. ओके, डू नॉट प्रैक्टिस लाइक पैरट्स, बस पढ़े जा रहे हैं, बाकी समझ कुछ में आ नहीं रहा, ऐसा नहीं करना, समझने के लिए प्रैक्टिस करना। ओके शबनम, यू हैव नॉट ज्वाइन द ब्रेकआउट रूम, आप एक्सेप्ट नहीं किए इनविटेशन को। शबनम, एक्सेप्ट करिए इनविटेशन को शबनम। नूर बेटा, आप भी नहीं इनविटेशन एक्सेप्ट किए क्या? एक्सेप्ट इनविटेशन नूर।
Yes, sir. Send me again. My mistake.
हाँ, रूम नंबर 1 में चले जाओ नूर, आप रूम नंबर 1 में चले जाओ। गो टू रूम नंबर 1।
नहीं हो रहा है।
आपने इनविटेशन एक्सेप्ट नहीं किया शबनम? कर लिया? सामने स्क्रीन पे इनविटेशन है सब? नहीं है शबनम? आई कैन नॉट हियर यू शबनम। रूम नंबर 1 में चले जाइए आप। गो टू रूम नंबर 1 शबनम। Can you see the invitation, Shabnam, on your screen?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I am on the screen.
आप इस स्क्रीन पे देख रही हैं, इनविटेशन देख रही हैं शबनम?
सर मैं देख रही हूँ सर।
तो आप वहां पर कुछ लिखा हुआ देख रही हैं, ज्वाइन द ब्रेकआउट रूम करके?
नहीं सर, कुछ नहीं है, सिर्फ आपकी फोटो आ रही है स्क्रीन पे।
ये नौशीन बेटा?
यस सर, यस।
Nasheen, Nasheen, Nasheen. शबनम, अभी भी आप एक्सेप्ट नहीं करी हैं इनविटेशन को। आप अभी भी यही हैं,
नहीं
आपको
हुआ है।
इनविटेशन को एक्सेप्ट करना होगा।
तो कैंडल क्या है?
आपके स्क्रीन पे लिखा होता है ब्रेकआउट रूम, उसको ज्वाइन करें आप।
Yes, sir. Every time I complete many times, but
आई हैव डन इट मेनी टाइम्स। बोलिए आई हैव डन इट मेनी टाइम्स। मैंने कई बार किया
I
है।
have
आई हैव
done it
डन इट
many
मेनी
times. Yes,
टाइम्स।
sir. I have done it many times. But
बट टुडे यू आर स्ट्रगलिंग। सुलेखा, आप
yes,
ब्रेकआउट रूम
sir.
में कैसे जाएंगी?
Sir, no. तो बताइए मुझे कैसे जाना है।
हाँ शबनम,
ऑप्शन नहीं क्या है? कोई ऑप्शन नहीं आ रहा है स्क्रीन पे।
आपको मैंने को होस्ट बना दिया है शबनम। आपके स्क्रीन पे पूरे सारे ब्रेकआउट रूम्स आ रहे होंगे। आपको थोड़ा सा सीखना है कैसे यूज करते हैं। आप देखें वहां पर एक बॉक्स बना होगा छोटा सा, उसको क्लिक करेंगे तो ढेर सारे रूम दिखेंगे।
या
रूम 1, रूम 2, रूम 3, राइट? सुलेखा,
यस सर।
I am sending you to a room, okay? Go there and practice.
Hello, sir.
Yeah. So you learned how people talk about their free time activities in English. Did you
यस
find any challenges, any difficulties,
अरे हम गलती
confusions?
से जबलपुर को बोलते हैं और ऐसा बोलेंगे।
Anish, do not talk to other people while you are in class. I told you, multitasking won't help you. Tell me, guys, any questions you have to ask
Sir,
now?
I have a question.
Yes, Sunita?
Actually, sir, I don't have a book, so whatever my partner asked me, so I gave gradually answer those questions. So I
Gradually answer मतलब क्या होता है?
randomly don't
तो
have a
ग्रेजुएट में तो धीरे धीरे होता है।
time, but
धीरे धीरे।
to say that whatever comes
Sir,
in my
sir,
mind,
sir,
I'll
I leave the class because my phone is discharged, sir, battery low.
Okay, okay, Anish. सुनीता बेटा, इंग्लिश वर्ड्स कोशिश करेंगे समझ के बोले, ओके? जिसकी जरूरत है वो, ओके बेटा?
sure, sir.
नहीं तो अगर आदत पड़ गई ऐसे उल्टे पुल्टे वर्ड बोलने की जिसकी जगह नहीं है वहां पे, तो फिर वो आदत जाएगी नहीं जल्दी।
Yes, sir, sure.
ग्रेजुअली आंसर कोई चीज नहीं होती। ग्रेजुअली आंसर, आई गेव ग्रेजुअली आंसर, ओके? हाँ,
Okay,
अगर
sure.
आप ये लाइन किसी ऐसे के सामने बोलोगे जिसको इंग्लिश नहीं आती, उसको लगेगा कुछ तो बोला ही होगा, कुछ तो बोला ही होगा। ग्रेजुअली आंसर कुछ तो बोला होगा, मेरे को समझ नहीं आ रहा है, या प्रिटेंड करेगा वो। हाँ, यस यस, आई अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट यू मीन। क्योंकि उसको अलग डर लग रहा होता है कि बेइज्जती हो जाएगी, पूछ देंगे क्या बोल रही है तो।
So, sir, what will be
यस
the
ये
here?
चलता है ना, हम लोग के दिमाग में ऐसे ही चलता है ना,
यस
बातचीत के
सर,
दौरान।
अभी लगा मुझे
Yes, sir.
कुछ तो है। यस सर।
कुछ तो है like
सेवा सेवा ने कहा कुछ तो है। तो तुम पूछती नहीं, तुम नहीं पूछती क्योंकि तुमको लगता है अरे हम पूछेंगे तो हम बेवकूफ लगेंगे, राइट? लेकिन जब हम ये
यस सर।
एटीट्यूड अपना बदल लेंगे तो हम तेजी से सीखेंगे। हम पूछेंगे कि ग्रेजुअली आंसर मतलब क्या बोलना चाह रही हो, हम समझ नहीं पाए।
यस सर, पर आपने पहले पूछ लिया।
गुड गुड गुड। अच्छा सोचो, ग्रेजुअली आंसर क्यों नहीं हो सकता, इसकी वजह बताता हूँ। आंसर नाउन है ना?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
तो आंसर के पहले एक एडजेक्टिव आ सकता है उसके बारे में बताने के लिए कि कैसा आंसर, गुड आंसर, बैड आंसर। तो
Yeah.
तो इसलिए थोड़ा सा ग्रेजुअली एक एडवर्ब है, वो कोई कॉमन कोई सेंस नहीं बनता उसका वहां रहने का। ओके। अच्छा सुनीता, बाय द वे क्या कहना चाह रही थी बेटा आप?
Actually, sir, I have answered those answers which comes in my mind at that time. I answered those things.
I can understand that you were not here. I will add you to this group only if you promise to be here every day. Okay, Sunita, because again, I cannot have students who are not very sincere. You know, you are in that 7 o'clock batch. I have already told you that class will give you a little bit satisfaction, but this class will give you a lot more. Okay, क्योंकि I know
Yes,
your
sir.
problems. I can see your problems. आप जब तक हिंदी की इंग्लिश होने वाली है तब तक आप बहुत कंफर्टेबली करोगे हिंदी से इंग्लिश। जैसे कुछ भी ऐसा होगा जो इंग्लिश में अलाउड है, इंग्लिश हिंदी में नहीं, बस उलट पलट हो जाएगा सारा बेटा। तो ऐसे हालात में इस क्लास में रह के आप ज्यादा सीख सकते हो। लेकिन सुनीता अभी भी आप ना अपना बेस्ट नहीं दे रहे हो, ना कैमरे पे हो, ना पूरा फोकस्ड हो। ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
हाँ।
What did happen with me right now? I just wanna take both classes so
fine.
that I can understood that which what will be the good option for me, because sir, in both time I have work, so I am unable to decide that which class will be good for me, which time will
I
be
can
good.
understood बोल सकते हैं सुनीता, I can understood
I can understand.
बोल सकते हैं?
No, sir, I can't. We can't. Can
तो
understand.
क्या बोल सकते हैं?
Can't understand.
I can understood की जगह क्या बोलना पड़ेगा?
I understand.
ध्यान देना है हमें बहुत सी चीजों पे। जैसे मैं जानता हूँ, मेरे क्लास में आने के बाद मैं अपने स्टूडेंट्स को थोड़ा सा स्लो कर देता हूँ, कहता हूँ भाई स्पीड कम करो। पूर्वा को मैंने खूब कराया था, क्या पूर्वा एकदम शांत, एकदम शांत शांत। मेरा एक बहुत फेवरेट लाइन है, कीप काम एंड लर्न इंग्लिश। क्या लाइन?
Yeah.
Keep calm and learn.
Keep calm and
कीप काम एंड लर्न
learn.
इंग्लिश। कोई हाई फाई ओवर एक्साइटमेंट नहीं चाहिए, बिकॉज वो एक्साइटमेंट में खाली उलट पलट होएगा, सही कुछ काम की
It's
बात नहीं
work
होगी।
on me, sir.
It is gonna work on every single individual. It is tried and tested method. You have to be calm. You have to be focused. You have to focus on the input. The output is going to be great. Nobody can stop it. As long as the input is good quality, the output has to be good quality. आप मुझे एक बात बताओ, किसी संस्कृत में बातचीत करने वाली फैमिली में किसी को रख दे तो क्या वो गाली गलौज सीख रहा है वहां पे? और किसी गाली गलौज कर बोलने वाले परिवार में एक बच्चे को रखेगा तो क्या वो संस्कृत बोलना सीखेगा वहां पे?
No, sir.
तो इनपुट विल डिटरमिन योर आउटपुट, एज सिंपल एज दैट। तो आई ऑलवेज से अगर आप आए हो अपने इम्प्रूवमेंट करने के लिए कि आपके आउटपुट में इम्प्रूवमेंट हो, आपके बोलने में इम्प्रूवमेंट है, तो आप बोलना बंद कर दे यहाँ के और सिर्फ इम्प्रूवमेंट करें अपने इनपुट पे, उस पे ध्यान दें कि क्वालिटी इनपुट जा रही है कि नहीं, देखना आपकी आउटपुट बेहतर हो जाएगी। और ये मैं जो बोलता हूँ वो बहुत अनपॉपुलर चीज है, क्योंकि 90% लर्नर्स जो होते हैं वो जब क्लास ज्वाइन करते हैं तो इस चीज के लिए एक्साइटेड होते हैं कि उनको इंग्लिश बोलने का मौका मिलेगा।
Yes, sir.
और मैं उसी चीज को कट कर देता हूँ कि नहीं आपको बोलने की जरूरत नहीं, मैं आपके इंग्लिश सुनने में कोई इंटरेस्ट नहीं रखता अभी फिलहाल। आपको मैं अभी खूब इनपुट दूंगा, पहले मेरे ऑडियो फाइल से, टेक्स्ट से, मेरे खुद से, और आप सुनिए और इसके बाद देखिए कि आप क्या कर रहे हैं, कैसा कर रहे हैं। आप ऑब्जर्व करिए, अपनी नजरें खुली रखिए। जब आपकी ऑब्जर्वेशन बेहतर होती जाएंगी, you guys will speak better English. It's a tried and tested method. It will work. It has worked on everybody. It will work on you as well. Okay. Or work for you as well, actually. Fine. Anyways. So, it is going to be 7 o'clock. Homework कल के लिए क्या है? I am giving you guys a text to read. मैं एक text दे रहा हूँ, आप चुन लो। तो में से कोई एक text आप ले लो. Okay? I'm giving you 2 texts. You guys choose which one you want. Just a second. One text is about a guy called Jimmy Kalam. And the other text is about a girl called Shilpa Shetty. Perhaps you are familiar with Shilpa Shetty. Now choose your text. Choose your person. अपना person choose करिए. Guys,
Sir, your screen is not shared yet.
but it is in the group already. I've put it in the group.
I choose Shilpa Shetty.
I choose Jamiculam.
Okay. तो आप एक partner भी चुन लो and decide. हम दोनों अलग अलग कहानी पढ़ेंगे. Okay? So, everybody, choose your story. Moni, which story are you going to read?
Shilpa Shetty.
Shilpa Shetty's story. Kashif?
Sir, but where is the story?
It is in the group now, Shubham. Go to the Telegram group.
Oh.
Yeah, in the Telegram group. You have to choose only one story. You have to read only one story, okay? But carefully.
Now this time, yeah.
No, at home,
Shilpa
at home.
Shetty.
It is homework for tomorrow. It is homework for tomorrow, everybody. You have
Okay.
to read. You have to
Okay, sir.
read the text about either Shilpa Shetty or Jemi Kalam. One of the two texts. Abhishek, which text are you gonna read?
Jamie Kalam.
Jemi Kalam. All right. And Anshu?
Jamiculam.
Okay. So guys, choose a text story. Read that story carefully, not one time, 3 times, 4 times, and Imtiaz, you have to mute yourself. You leave yourself unmuted, and it disturbs the class a lot. After reading the text, there are questions for you guys. I'm sharing now the questions. After reading the text, you have to answer these 8 questions. Write your answers properly. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. That's your homework. Choose one story, any one story, okay? और उसके answers लिखने हैं पढ़ने के बाद, okay?
Okay. Okay.
Bye-bye, everyone. Take care.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Good night, sir.
Good night. Good night.
Bye,
Good night.
sir.
Good night.
Good
Bye.
night.